The fifth of these environment challenges aims at establishing recycle-based society and systems. A vehicle is an assembly of various parts made of several metals and materials. With this understanding, we have established Vehicle Dismantling Center at Toyota Kirloskar Motor. Here, with a mechanism to dismantle and segregate every component, we are able to ensure recyclability of every component of a car. While this is just the start, our aim is to establish centers that enable car-from-car manufacturing. This will not only ensure sustainable material availability, but will also optimize cost of building an automobile. Building a circular economy does pose challenges, but the benefits far outweigh these. At Toyota Kirloskar Motor, we are committed to investing in change that is sustainable. Come, join us as we create a greener society.